All right, yo, unboxing time. Let's see what we got. Uh-oh. Get it straight, ride crooked. Little Bobby Morris. The Eyes, standard issue. Ooh, ooh. More GXs. These guys are hot right now. Beautiful GX. Killing it. Uh-oh. The Toy Machine. Oh, this is a mini. Nice little guy, 7.5, shorty. Uh-oh, girl. Oh, the McCranker, 8.5. Again with these babies. These eagles are the shit. Double eagle. Uh-oh, now a hawk. That's kind of cool. Just like an eagle, but by Baker. Another Baker. Another Baker. All smiles here, baby. Oh man, couple flips. Whoa, a little controversy with this guy right here. Nice. Stirring the pot up. Another Zero. Yeah, looking good, Zero. Zero's been on point right now. You got some good graphics. What are these? What are these? Oh, the troublesome blanks. Very controversial, these guys. There we go. All right, here's the drop, the overall shot. A couple new boards for the weekend. Toy Machines Girl, blanks, flip. Zero, Anti-Hero, GX again in the Bakers. What's your favorite one out of this batch? Let me know in the comments below. Have a good day, guys.